How to fix Instagram music problem. Hello guys, welcome to this new brand video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music problem easy and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to the app site here and now go to Instagram. Now click here on force stop and then go down to this power usage details and then click on the app launch. Turn off this option, click OK and then go down here, click on force stop, go back, click on storage, click here on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.